Now, the video I posted yesterday discussing Terra Luna Classic in comparison to the social media analytics showed that social media mentions and engagement were falling while the price of Terra Luna Classic was remaining steady. and not a lot of people responded positively to this video because it showed a bearish divergence. Bearish divergence meaning although one aspect is either maintaining levels or moving up, the price in this situation, another aspect is moving lower. Therefore, it's diverging to the downside or a bearish divergence. And unless you're talking positive, it's going to go to the moon, it's going to go... there's a certain group of people who react negatively. But, guys, this is to point out the just overwhelming correlation between community involvement in the price or value of assets at this point. And I want to break it down a little bit further because we've got an update, and yes, now we're starting to see it tick back up. So if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2022 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. And look, if you're brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks in crypto, you got a link in the description below for Webull. It is super simple to set up your account. Any deposit, you guys are getting at least 6 free stocks, up to 12 free stocks. $1 crypto trade gets $5 in free crypto. Now, if you want a crypto exclusive exchange, you've got KuCoin in the description below. You can buy and sell Terra Luna Classic on there, and you can actually trade it on 5x leverage if that's your thing. If you want to support the burns, Binance. International users have a Binance link down there where we know that Binance is contributing weekly to these Terra Luna Classic burns by burning their trading fees. But let's jump into this a little bit more and talk about why, because we didn't talk about necessarily the why. We just talked about the correlation yesterday. But I want to talk about why this is so important during this bear market and what it means for Terra Luna Classic moving forward. So we discussed this relationship, and you guys can see it out on Lunar Crush if you want to go to lunarcrush.com and then look at the statistics for Terra Luna Classic there. You can see that yesterday, social media mentions and social media engagement were falling off drastically while the price of Terra Luna Classic was remaining steady. And this bearish divergence, it's simply an indicator of one of two things must happen. Because of this direct correlation, either the price is going to fall to meet the social media engagement, or the social media engagement is going to rise to meet the price. That is exactly what we are seeing today, just one day later. Social media mentions and social media engagement are back on the incline. They are rising again, back up to meet the price. Now, this is excellent news because clearly nobody wants to see the price of Terra Luna Classic fall. Everybody wants it to go up and go up forever. But it tells us a couple things here. Number one, this relationship does exist. It's not just something that we see on a chart and you can't justify it or find reasoning for it. The direct correlation between the two does exist. So it is something that can be used as a leading indicator. If we see price action move without the engagement, okay, is it sustainable? If we see price action move without the engagement, there's not too much that we can act on other than the fact that we may begin to question, was that a sustainable move? Should this be a profit-taking opportunity? Should this be something that we use as a potential indicator, not a guaranteed indicator, that maybe the underlying asset doesn't have what it takes to maintain these levels? This is going to be much better off in a bear market like we're in right now, and I'll explain why in a second here, especially for a currency or a coin as volatile as Terra Luna Classic. Now, if social media engagement spikes up and price doesn't necessarily follow, we could use this as investors or traders to say, well, hold on, is this a leading indicator? And once people realize that this asset is popular and getting attention, will it rise as well? And we can use that as an indicator to potentially go in, make a purchase, or like we saw when Coinbase list LUNC was trending and trending heavily, that the mentions may fall back down if the price doesn't move. So it is simply a leading indicator that you can look at to potentially make decisions. Now, why is this important? During a bear market, like the cryptocurrency market is seeing right now, Terra Luna Classic has done an excellent job to not only detach itself from the overall cryptocurrency market, but maintain these elevated levels of value that we've seen over the last couple of months here. Now, what we need to know is that during bull markets, more specifically during bull market frenzies, like we saw back in September, October, November of 2021, people will literally buy anything for any reason, and it doesn't have to be trending, it doesn't have to be creating value, it doesn't have to be doing anything. These are the speculative periods that a lot of those old guys on TV will tell you about. They'll claim it's a bubble, they'll claim it's going to burst, they'll claim you're an idiot for jumping in, and so on. And to a certain degree, it is speculative, right? But not always does something that goes up in value have to return. Remember, they're claiming that cryptocurrencies like shibainu coin, which ran up millions of percents in 2021, are inevitably going to drop back down to a zero valuation because there's nothing underlying that asset. Meanwhile, we're in one of the worst bear markets we've seen in the history of the United States, and Shiba Inu coin remains at billions of dollars in valuation. So they're not always right either, guys. But looking at this right now, we can see value, or we can see prices in things like Terra Luna Classic created regardless of the status during a bull market. But during a bear market, it is the community and the community only that supports valuation in something that is supposedly intangible, like a cryptocurrency. They will tell you all day long that there's no underlying value in any cryptocurrency. You must stick to their fiat. You must buy their gold. You must buy their dollar. You must buy their pound and live that lifestyle that cryptocurrency will inevitably fail. And in the shadows, you know exactly what they're doing. They're creating their own CBDCs, central bank digital currencies, because they know that it is the future. They know that it is the only way to have utter control of all of the financial systems across the globe. So guys, don't let them lie to you. During this bear market, it's imperative that communities maintain the support and the encouragement and the excitement, regardless of if Terra Luna Classic is your coin, or if you're into XRP, Ripple, or any other coin for that matter. Maintain your conviction and understand that you are the strongest, the weakest. You are the only link that keeps that cryptocurrency moving forward during a bear market like this. I want to know what you guys think. Let me know your thoughts about the correlation between mentions, engagement, and essentially community, and the price of cryptocurrencies like Terra Luna Classic right now in the comments below. And of course, if that button right there is still red, make sure to click it, subscribe to the channel, join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. You guys got ClayBro 883 everywhere. 6 to 12 free stocks on Webull, KuCoin, and Binance in the description. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.